Hi children.
Children, let us learn about seasons. There are 3 seasons in a year. Generally, these 3 seasons come in 12 months of a year. From the end of February, March, April, and May, we feel too hot, isn't it? It is called summer season. Summer season is very hot. Usually, we wear thin cotton clothes during this season. Trees start grooming and blowing new leaves and flowers in the season. Nature gives us sweet mangoes in this season. In the month of June, July, August, and September, the whole country becomes green and prosperous, and children will enjoy in rain. It is rainy season. Children like to play in the rain. The trees and plants look green after the rain. We carry umbrellas in rainy season. October, November, December and January are the cold months of the year. It is called winter season. Sweaters and shawls are pulled out from the cupboards in winter. The trees will lose all its leaves and look lifeless. In some parts of the country, there will be heavy snowfall. Children and elders enjoy playing in the snow.
Next, fill in the blanks. Summer in dash 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 months. So you have to write summer in the end of February. Right here, February, February. Next, March. Next, April and May months. Next, winter in dash 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 months. So winter in October, November, December and January. Next, rain in June, July, August and September months. Today we are going to learn about day and night. Day andre agalu, night andre ratri. What difference will you find in the above pictures? So first we can find we work during daytime. So ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಗಲೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, birds are flying during daytime. ಸೊ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಹಗಲೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹಗಲೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ನೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ನೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಗೂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಪಡೆಯೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ನೈಟ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಗಲೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಮೂಲಗಳ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಲೈಟ್, ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ದೀಪಗಳು ಮುಂತಾದವುಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೇವೆ. In one full day, half of the time is day and half of the time is night. Day begins with sunrise and night begins with sunset. Day ends with sunset and night ends with sunrise. This happens every day. It is routine of nature. ಸೊ ಹಗಲು ಮತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ದಿನಪ್ರತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ನಿಯಮ.
Next, tick right or wrong. First one, we sleep during day. So we sleep during day? No. So you have to put wrong mark. Next, second one, we get sunlight during night. So we get sunlight during daytime. So here they gave night. So second one also wrong. So put here wrong mark. Next, third one, we work during daytime. Yes, we work during daytime. So you can put right mark. Next, birds take rest in nest during night. Yes, birds take rest in nest during night. So you can put tick mark. Next, we get sunlight during daytime. Yes, we get sunlight during day. So here also put tick mark. Next, day start with sunset. No, day start with sunrise. So sixth one you can put wrong mark. Next, seventh one, night start with sunset. Yes, night start with sunset. So you can put right mark.
We celebrate the Republic Day on January 26th. We celebrate the Environmental Day on 5th of June. We celebrate the Independence Day on August 15th. Teachers' Day come in the month of September. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd. We celebrate Kannada Rajyotsava on November 1st. We celebrate Children's Day on November 14th. We celebrate Christmas on December 25th. So your birthday falls on in the month of dash. So I write my birthday date and you can write your birthday date. So my birthday falls on July 16th.
Next, match the following events with the suitable months. For example, Children's Day in the month of November. Next, Environment Day in the month of June. So you can take scale and draw lines. Environment Day comes in the month of June. Next, Republic Day. Republic Day comes in the month of January. So you can take scale and draw straight line. So Republic Day comes in the month of January. Next, Gandhi Jayanti. So Gandhi Jayanti comes in the month of October. October 2nd we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Next, Ambedkar Jayanti comes in the month of April. Take scale and draw straight lines. Next, Christmas comes in the month of December. Next, Kannada Rajotsava in the month of November. Next, Teachers' Day comes in the month of September. Take scale and draw lines. Teachers' Day comes in the month of September. Next, Independence Day comes in the month of August. So we celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. Next, World Labour's Day. So World Labour's Day comes in the month of May. Next, answer the following. The shortest month of the year is dash and it has dash days. So the shortest month of the year is February. It has 28 or 29 days. Next, how many months have maximum Sunday? Maximum means ಯಾವ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So you can see calendar and write in the month of January, April, July, October and December. So 5 months have maximum Sundays. Name those months. So first, January, April, July and October and December. Next, in which month is your birthday? Dash the day and date of your birthday. So I write my birthday date. So you can write your birthday date, day and month. So my birthday in the month of July and date 16 and day Friday. Thank you, children.